My first web page actually worked.
Awesome! Now let's discover what makes every HTML page work. So every web page follows a plan? Exactly! Every HTML page has a structure, just like every house has a blueprint. What's this first line? It's the magic key that tells the browser HTML5 web page. This is the HTML tag. So everything lives inside it? You got it!
It stores information, like the page title that appears on the Browser tab.
So what's inside the head? The body holds everything people actually see.
So this is the fun part. These notes don't appear on the page.
Right! They're comments, and every piece of the web page is called an HTML element. Most tags come in pairs, opening and closing.
And some work all by themselves.
I finally understand how an HTML page is built.
Fantastic! Next time, we'll start creating real content with HTML tags.